presence. Open your mouth in your native dialect. In this atmosphere, you don't even need to ask for anything. The God of nations, the governor among the nations is here. I sense his grace. My God, the mighty one in battle. Hail him. There is nothing he cannot do. Open your mouth. Hail him, hail him, hail him, hail him. You are my glory and the lifter of my head. There is no God like you. You are the same yesterday. You are the same today. You are the same forever. My God, my God, my King, my Savior, my Defender.